Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see the devices section, what all information we can put up when we are creating the campaign. So once you log into the campaign, and now you can go to the specific section, which is devices. Here, you have different operating system to target. So this will allow you to target specific operating systems of mobile phones, okay, of users specifically, or other devices as well. So here you can choose, let's say I want to target specifically iOS and Android. So I can do that. Now in iOS also, you can be as specific as which version of operating system you want to target. So you can do that as well. Let's say I want to target from 14 onwards, so I can do that as well. Out here, same way with Android as well, we can choose the level from where we want to start targeting. This becomes much more specific kind of targeting which we can do out here. Other than this, if you really feel that your users are mostly connecting with you with your website through a desktop device, so you can select that as well. However, what we have seen is with Twitter ads or X ads specifically, a majority of the users' interaction is on mobile devices. So this might not be that much fruitful. Also, if you see, there are a few other options like device models also you can target. So let's say I want to target, come from a telecom business and I want to target my competitors' devices where we can show our ads. So we can do that as well. So let's say I can target specifically Google specific devices in this particular manner. So what this basically means is that our X ads will target devices like Google Nexus 456 and try to show ads on them. So this is something which you can really do and which can be really effective. Also, on top of that, you also get the option to do carrier targeting or carrier targeting as well. Carrier is basically the service providers. So based on the region you are from, so let's say we are looking at different regions here. And let's say we're looking at UK. So UK, it will give you all the various options. So you can choose the specific carrier, okay, and we can then target those specific carrier devices only. So let's say we are choosing Vodafone here, EE here. So that means that only devices which are running on Vodafone and EE would be targeted and we can show our ads on them. So this level of customization, which you can do at the devices section. Lastly, you also have the option to target people who first used X on a new device or carrier. So if you want to do that, that also you can do. So these are all the settings which you will get here. And once you set up this, if you ideal way would be that we can just select the iOS and Android and we can go ahead with that, which works in most of the cases.